Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. Well, I'm gonna break down and I'm gonna do an ultra wash on it. We're now the 2nd of March, so as you can see what she looks like right now, I got a mess going on here. So we're gonna see how this thing cleans this puppy up. I feel sorry for it, but I'm gonna see how we transpire. And I'm waiting right now. So I've got an ultra. I'm doing an ultra package on it. So that's underbody, rocker blast, pre-soak, laser wash, spot-free rinse, laser dry, perfume polish, double brand, and Teflon car care protection. So there's your hot wax, ultra, and your classic, and it's just a plain wet wash, soak and laser wash for $8. So we're gonna go with that. They're pulling out now, so my turn. Really not gonna do much for it, but I felt it was probably time to send it on through. Make sure I put up my windows. That'd be embarrassing. All right. Here we go. All right, here we go. Doors going up. One door coming down. All right, there it is. There's your undercoat or underwash. Slow as I can, but it's time. You're not gonna get too much time under it. Like I said, you're gonna drive in and wait for that to tell you you're done. As far as you can go. There it is. All right, here we go. Again, that was the ultra. So I start. That's some sort of a pre-soak of some sort. Okay. We're starting out at 3 minutes. No idea. Coated in. That's going to do something else. That's doing it again, or adding something else to what's already on here. I would normally do this myself, but I'm kind of lazy in the winter. Okay, I'm not sure. That's going to wait a couple of seconds. Of course, I'm in the hybrid, so she should shut down here in a minute. Sit here and wait. Now I guess we got the rinse. What's it say we're doing now? Okay, we did. Okay, we just did the clean. Now we're doing the wash. And that was the Now here's the polish. Look at the colors on that. I'll go around washing that was the polishing, surface protectant. And I figured it might be a good idea to put that on there. Maybe it'll keep some of the solid off the surface. These are my wiper blades. Alright, that's the surface protectant. Going back around again. Back around again. It's a spot-free rinse. Okay, now we're going to blow dry. Back up. All right, doors are opening. Last light will come on, and thank you. We have green to go. All right, now we're gonna get out and take a look and see what it did. It's 40. It's 35 degrees out, so nothing's gonna freeze. See how she looks. Shine the rims up pretty good. Not too bad at all, I guess. Oh, you can keep that. All right. Here she shut down. All right. Nice and clean in the rear. Get in there and clean up that rust off the paint. So, very nice, I guess. Gotta come along, gotta get that rust off of the bases there. But other than that, I like it. She's just gonna get dirty again, but she's gonna get a little bit of wax on that. It'll keep it from getting anything on it. So, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. You'll catch me on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.